people. How are you? He's asking how are you? So for Amigo, how are all of you feeling today? Good? That's very nice to hear. Okay, so as you know, Singapore is celebrating her 59th birthday, so Amigo here is going to sing the birthday song. By any chance, anyone of you celebrating birthdays today? Put up your hands. Birthdays. Okay, I see a few hands up. Good. Okay. Now for those of you who are celebrating your birthdays and for Singapore, this song goes out to you. Okay? Ready? Let's sing. Happy birthday!